Greetings, welcome to another quick tip. Today we'll be talking about drop-down chips in Google Sheets. So I've prepared quickly a spreadsheet for you. This spreadsheet here is where I will be tracking my students' attendance. So the first thing that I want to do is I just want to quickly highlight where I want to be putting my drop-downs in. So I'll just choose that column over there. Then I'll go click on data on my menus. Then I'll look for data validation, click on data validation. And as soon as that has happened, I can go and add a data validation rule. And the rule that I want to be adding is that wherever there is drop down, I need to choose between these different options. So the first option will be if students are present, and this must be lime green color, or students are absent. I want this to be in red color. I'll add another item, and if students are late, I want this to be a pink color. Okay, now I'm done. Now, what I'll do here is I'll notice that wherever students are, I can just customize and I can change their status from null to present, absent, or late. So if you don't want to do it this way, this is the one way. If you want to create your already existing criteria, so here I've made a few. So present, late, absent, I'll just put one more called tardy. So these are my 4 different options. I can do the same. So I'll just highlight my column, go to data, data validation, then I'll add another rule. Now, instead of me choosing drop down, I'll just choose drop down from a range. And now I'm going to select a range. So I'm going to click on this. And then I'll go to my sheet 2. And then I'll highlight the range. And once I've done that, then I'll click OK. And then here they are. And then I can start customizing their colors. I'll choose random colors. And choose this color, then I'll click done. Now when I go back to my sheet, then I'll be able to see that here I have present in a different color because now I've chosen from a range and I can choose tardy and so on. So you are two ways. One, you can start creating new set of rules, or you can choose from an already existing group of rules that you set for yourself.